Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a reminder to your note on the Evernote application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then you should go to your home page and select a note from the notes section. So just simply click on the relevant one that you would like to work with. And then all you have to do is clicking on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen, then clicking on the fourth option, add reminder, indicated with this bell icon. Here you should select the date of the reminder, so the exact date, and then the exact time. Then you should press this button save in the upper right corner of the screen. So now you have added a reminder to your note. So you can change it anytime by simply clicking on the reminder that you can see here in the right side of the screen. So you can change it, and then if you are done with it, so you don't need the reminder anymore, you need to click on the remove reminder icon, or either the mark as done icon or button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.